So whenever we are discussing or talking about a project, it will always have a life cycle. हमने project life cycle की, product life cycle की पहले बात की थी, उसमें हमने देखा था कि every product passes through 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. Similarly, every project passes through a variety of stages too. क्या क्या होती हैं वो stages? The first stage in any project is the initiation phase. This is the time when you actually initiate the idea of going for a project and you try and convince the decision makers. वो decision makers आपका board of directors भी हो सकता है, आपका head of the department भी हो सकता है, और वो कोई funding agency भी हो सकती है, depending on the size and magnitude of the project. So in the initiation phase, you prepare all those documents which are required and you conduct all those studies which are necessary in order to get an approval for the project. Once you are through with the initiation and the project is approved, that is the time when you know what kind of resources are available with you, how much time is given to you. This is the time when you do the real planning, जिसको हम कहते हैं project planning. Project planning करने में आपको अपनी limitations और अपनी resources का idea होना clear ज़रूरी है. ये input आपको जो initiation base का जो level था, वहाँ से आपको ये inputs मिल जाते हैं. Once you are through with the planning part, आपने define कर लिया कि okay, how long will be the project, how much money will be spent, how many people will be involved, and so on so forth. तो फिर आप इसके execution part पे जाते हैं. Execution is the stage where you actually implement the project, right? जब आप execution करते हैं तो कुछ जगहों पे deviation आती है from the plan या आ सकती है from the plan. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि आपने let's say आपने कहा कि जी we will do a certain thing in 1 week, right? अगर वो 1 week में नहीं हो रहा, execute करते हुए आपको पता चला on the 6th day that you might need another day, तो बेसिकली यू आर डिविएटिंग फ्रॉम द प्लान, राइट? और इस चीज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कि आप अपने प्लान से ज्यादा दूर ना हटें, आपको कुछ कंट्रोल स्टेप्स लेने पड़ते हैं. वो कंट्रोल स्टेप्स क्या हैं? विल टेक अ लुक एट दैट इन डिटेल इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. बट कंट्रोल का प्राइमरी पर्पस ये है दैट एग्जीक्यूशन मस्ट नॉट गो अवे फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव प्लान्ड. Once you have done all this, once the project is executed, then comes the completion part. Completion is the stage when you actually summarize that okay, what you wanted to do you have done, जो results चाहिए थे वो achieve हो गए, और जो हमारे deliverables थे, deliverables क्या हैं? जो चीजें आपने customer को, project customer को deliver करनी थी, अगर वो चीजें deliver हो गई हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि okay, the project is now complete. Completion के बाद फिर उसका appraisal किया जाता है, evaluation किया जाता है, और post completion report भी बनाई जाती है. That will take a look into detail. So we have discussed the project life cycle and we have discussed that there are various stages in the project life cycle. The first stage, that is project initiation, is going to be discussed in detail now. Project initiation का primary जो document जो हम बनाते हैं, that is called the business case. Business case is made for a number of reasons. Primarily, the reason is to convince the funding authorities, be it your own board of directors or maybe any outside funding agency, in order to provide you the funds that you require in order to complete the project. Secondly, in a situation where by the way, this happens in most of the cases, where there are competing projects or mutually exclusive projects, that is, you have limited amount of funds available and you have the option of either for going for project 1 or 2. So in such situations, business case helps us in determining which of the project is going to be more useful. It basically is a tool, business case is a tool which enables us to plan and then execute the project in a better manner, and it helps us in project management.